Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making bacon and beef ranch giant hot pockets from scratch. Well, minus the pie crust. I'm going to take the easy way out on that. Hopefully these turn out good. They shouldn't be too difficult. Let's get started. I'm going to start with 1 pound of ground beef and add that to my pan. Just going to chop this all up. Want to get it nice and brown. It needs to be, well, pretty much completely done. I am only going to use half of this pack of bacon. So I'm just going to cut this in half. I'll just freeze the other half for another day. Now I want to slice all this bacon up into, well, smaller pieces. I don't want this to be, I don't want big giant chunks. I want smaller pieces. Now I'll just add that. I'm going to kind of separate these on my pan. I'm using parchment paper just because it's easier to clean. I hate that, having mess to clean up. I'm going to bake this until these bacon pieces are completely done. I want them crispy. My ground beef is coming along nicely. It's pretty close to being done. So stir this up real good. Over here I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to use that to make my ranch sauce. Okay, I think this ground beef is done. I'm going to move this off the heat. The butter is melted. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'll just whisk that up until it gets nice and thick and the flour has time to kind of cook just for a minute or two. I have about 3/4 to 1 cup of milk. Slowly add that, whisking at the same time, trying to keep from having any major lumps. Just gonna keep pouring and whisking, letting it mix up nicely. And I'll just go ahead and dump the rest of this in. Now, I'm gonna let this stay on a medium to high heat and thicken up a little bit. Now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of a ranch dressing mix. Just stir that in good. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And I want to just mix that in real good. And then I want to let this just kind of sit on a really low heat until this cheese is nice and melted. And I'll just stir it occasionally. Now I'm just going to add my cheese sauce to my cooked ground beef. And I'll stir that in real good. Get it nice and mixed up. I'll roll out my first pizza dough here. It's a little sticky. I'm going to do this on wax paper just because I don't want to make a mess all over the counter. It's not required. You don't have to do it that way. Just figured it'd make easier cleanup. Okay, I'm going to add about half or so, maybe a little bit more, to my crust, just on 1/2 of the crust. I don't want it on the entire crust because I'm going to fold this crust over. And then I'm going to take about half of my bacon and put it just sprinkled around on top. And then I will fold this over and I'm going to take my fork and I'm just going to do the little squishy on the edges. Oh, it's soft. Want to make sure that both sides of the pie crust kind of squish together. That way it hopefully doesn't leak while in the oven. And I'm going to poke a few holes in the top just so it can breathe a little bit. And now I will carefully move this over to my baking sheet. Oh, it's heavy. Now I'm going to assemble my second one, and this one is going to be mine. So I'm going to add a few extra ingredients. Pretty much the same process, just adding a few extra ingredients. Start with the beef, and I'll use what's left. And add what's left of the bacon. I'm going to add some olives to mine. And a few dollops of sour cream. And I'm going to spread this sour cream out. Fold it in half. Use the fork on the edges. And I'm going to go ahead and poke holes on the top in the shape of an F so that I know which one has all the goodies. Get this on to my baking sheet. I've got some melted butter here that I'm going to add a little bit of chives to. And I'm just going to brush each one of these with my chive butter mixture. That looks good. I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it according to the pie crust instructions. And when it's done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!